Hello student, welcome to back myself Sri K.D. Borsesar, biology subject teacher. In previous lecture we learned cell structure and organization chapter content concept, eukaryotic cell organelles. In that we learn nucleus is one of the cell organelle, cytoskeleton, cilia and flagella, also centrioles and centrosomes. Today we are going to learn 11 science biology syllabus content chapter number 7, cell division. In that we learn cell cycle. Also we learn types of cell division. So let us start today's first concept, cell division. Before we discuss cell division, some basic information about cell. Life of all multicellular organism start from single cell, means every multicellular organism life start from a single cell. Name the cell start from them life of multicellular organism. Yes, zygote is a single cell start from them multicellular life. How to form zygote? Yes, union of male or female gamete to form zygote. Growth of every living organism depend on cell division. How do you wound heal? Yes, addition of new cells by process of mitosis. Due to this, wound heal process completed. New cell develop from pre-existing cell. Here noted some questions are most important about basic information of the cell. Now we learn cell cycle. What is cell cycle? Sequential events occurs in the life of a cell called as cell cycle. Sequential events occurs in the life of a cell called as cell cycle. Cell cycle completed in two phases. Number one, interphase, and second, phase, means mitotic phase. See in here diagrammatic representation. Cell cycle is completed in two phases. First one is interphase. This is the interphase, and this one is mitotic phase. Interphase is longest phase of cell cycle, while in mitotic phase karyokinesis, cytokinesis process takes place. Like in karyokinesis, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, then cytokinesis process takes place. So interphase and phase, means mitotic phase, are two phases are involved in a cell cycle. During interphase, cell undergoes growth or a rest as per need. Always remember, during interphase, cell undergoes growth or a rest as per need. During M phase, cell undergoes division, means karyokinesis and cytokinesis processes takes place. We learn one by one First one is interphase. In interphase of cell cycle, a stage present between two successive cell divisions. Interphase is one of the stage present between two successive cell divisions. It is longest phase of the cell cycle. Interphase is longest phase of cell cycle. It divided into three subphases. G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. Means G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase are three subphases of interphase. Seen here diagrammatic representation. Interphase consists of three subphases. Interphase start from this point to this point. Whole interphase divided into three subphases. G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. These three subphases are included in interphase. We learn one by one what is G1 phase, what is S phase and what is G2 phase. First one is G1 phase. A first growth phase, G1 phase also called as a first growth phase, also known as first gap period. Also known as first gap period. It starts immediately after cell division, means before G1 phase, mitotic phase takes place. You know, in mitotic phase, karyokinesis and cytokinesis processes takes place. After cell division phase completion, G1 phase starts. So it starts immediately after cell division. Cell perform in G1 phase RNA synthesis like mRNA synthesis, rRNA synthesis, tRNA synthesis. Also protein synthesis takes place in G1 phase. Also membrane synthesis in G1 phase. Up to this we detail discuss. G1 phase is the first growth phase, also known as first gap period. Start immediately after cell division. Perform RNA synthesis, protein synthesis, membrane synthesis. Now we learn second subphase of interphase called as S phase. What is S phase? It is synthesis phase in which DNA synthesized or replicated. During this phase, means S phase, synthesis of DNA or replication of DNA process takes place. Seen here diagrammatic representation. This is the S phase of interphase. During this DNA replication process takes place. This is most important event of interphase because DNA synthesis or replication process takes place in S phase. Amount of DNA per cell double, means the DNA content cell due to synthesis or replication, the amount of DNA per cell seen in double. Histone protein also synthesis in S phase. Hope that you understood everything. Up to this we detail discuss S phase of interphase. Now G2 phase of interphase. What is G2 phase? A second growth phase of interphase. During this phase, nucleus increase in volume. During G2 phase, nucleus increase in volume, metabolic activity occurs, various necessary protein synthesized process occurs in G2 phase. Also RNA synthesis occurs in G2 phase. In animal cell, a daughter pair centriole appear near the pre-existing pair. Always remember, in animal cell, a daughter pair of centriole appears near the pre-existing pair. Up to this we detail discuss. G2 phase is the third subphase of interphase, and up to this we detail discuss. Interphase means interphase consists of G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. Some information about G0 phase. Some cells do not have gap phase in their life of the cell cycle. Some cells do not have gap phase in their cell cycle. Some cells spend maximum part of their life in gap phase. Some cells spend maximum part of their life in gap phase. Some cells are said to be in their GO phase, means gap zero phase. What is this GO phase? Muscle stem cells, also neuron stem cells, also intestinal stem cells are mostly G0 phase. Now we learn M phase or period of division. This is the second main phase of cell cycle. M phase also called as period of division. What is M phase? M stand for mitosis or meiosis. It involves karyokinesis, means division of nucleus, also cytokinesis, means division of cytoplasm. What is karyokinesis? Yes, it is a process in which division of nucleus called as karyokinesis. In simply, karyon means nucleus, kinesis means breaking. Due to division of nucleus, two daughter nuclei are formed, and this karyokinesis process involve prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. In cytokinesis, division of cytoplasm resulting in two daughter cells. Division of cytoplasm resulting in two daughter cell. Cyto means cytoplasm, kinesis means breaking. So breaking cytoplasm to form two daughter cells. Karyokinesis and cytokinesis are two main processes involved in mitotic phase or M phase or period of cell division. Up to this we detail discuss cell division second phase known as M phase or period of division. Now we learn type of cell division. In animal cells show three kinds of cell division. First one is amitosis or direct division. Second one is mitosis or indirect division. And third one is meiosis or a reduction division, means amitosis, mitosis, meiosis. Also direct division, indirect division or reduction division. Three different kinds of cell division seen in animal cells. We learn one by one what is amitosis, what is mitosis, what is meiosis. Before that, mitosis occurs haploid as well as diploid cells. Mitosis occurs haploid cell also, diploid cell also, while meiosis occurs only diploid cell. Hope that you understood everything. Most important point here noted, mitosis occurs in haploid as well as diploid cell, while meiosis occurs only diploid cell. In honeybee, individual member known as drone develop from haploid unfertilized egg. In Markensia, haploid spores form gametophyte by mitosis. These two questions are most important here noted. Honeybee, individual member drone develop from haploid unfertilized egg, while Markensia haploid spores form gametophyte by mitosis. We learn one by one mitosis, amitosis, mitosis, meiosis. In simply, what is amitosis? Amitosis means it is one of the type of cell division in which nucleus and cytoplasm divide simultaneously. Such cell division called as amitosis, and it is direct division. What is mitosis? It is one of the type of cell division in which parental cell divide into two daughter cell. Each daughter cell is identical with each other. Also, both daughter cells are genetically identical with parental cells. Such cell division called as mitosis. What is meiosis? It is one of the type of cell division in which diploid parental cell divide into four haploid daughter cell. Each haploid daughter cell are not identical with each other. Also, all daughter cells are not identical to their parental cells. Such type of cell division called as meiosis. We learn one by one what is amitosis or direct division. Amitosis or direct division, it is one of the type of cell division, very simplest type of cell division in which nucleus and cytoplasm divide simultaneously. Nucleus and cytoplasm divide simultaneously. Such type of cell division called as amitosis, also called as direct division. Seen here diagrammatic representation. This one is a this one is parental cell. Parental cell contain nucleus, is elongated and it self constrict. At same time cytoplasm is also constrict. Here clearly seen nucleus is constrict, also cytoplasm is also constrict. Due to this, two daughter cell with two nucleus, means each daughter cell contain one nucleus. Such type of cell division called as amitosis. Very simple type of cell division seen here. Nucleus and cytoplasm divide simultaneously. Such cell division called as amitosis, also called as direct cell division. Nucleus elongated and constriction appear. Here clearly seen, nucleus elongated and constriction appear. Such constriction responsible for division of nucleus into two daughter nuclei. Here clearly seen, constriction occurs in the nucleus as well as cytoplasm. Due to constriction occurs nucleus as well as cytoplasm. At same time, two daughter cell with each one contain nucleus, means two daughter cells are produced. Such simple type of cell division called as amitosis. Up to this we detail discuss. Amitosis is one of the type of cell division, also called as direct cell division. In amitosis cell division, at same time division of cytoplasm also occurs. As a result, formation of two daughter cells. Such division occurs in unicellular organism, also abnormal cells, also old cells, also fetal membrane cells. Review today's topic. We learn today's lecture cell cycle, also types of cell division, amitosis direct division, mitosis indirect division, meiosis reduction division. On the basis of today's lecture, some exercise question noted here. MCQ questions. Number 1, chromosome number of a cell is almost doubled up during G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase, G0 phase. Yes, the correct answer is S phase, means B, S phase is correct option. Histone protein are synthesized during G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase, interphase. Yes, the correct answer. Histone protein are synthesized during the S phase, means B, S phase is correct option. Life of all multicellular organism start from single cell, many cell, few cell, few organs. Yes, the correct answer is life of all multicellular organisms start from single cell, means a single cell, correct option. Short answer question. Number 1, which one is longest phase of cell cycle? Yes, interphase is longest phase of cell cycle. Which are the 3 different types of cell division? Yes, amitosis or direct division, mitosis, indirect division, meiosis reduction division. Mitosis occurs in dash dash as well as dash dash cell. Yes, mitosis occurs in haploid cell as well as diploid cell. Number 4, what is karyokinesis? Yes, division of nucleus called as karyokinesis. Which are the two phases of cell cycle? Yes, interphase and M phase or mitotic phase are two phases of cell cycle. What is cell cycle? Yes, sequence of events in a life of a cell called as cell cycle. Which type of cell occurs? Meiosis, means meiosis process occurs in which type of cell? Yes, diploid cell occurs meiosis process. What is amitosis? It is one of the type of cell division, very simple type of cell division in which nucleus and cytoplasm divide simultaneously. Such type of cell division called as amitosis. Define mitosis. Yes, it is also one of the type of cell division in which a parental cell divide into two daughter cell. Both daughter cells are identical with each other. Also, both daughter cells are genetically identical with parental cells. Such type of cell division called as mitosis. Match column A with column B. G1 phase. Yes, G1 phase match with first gap period. 1 match with D. Cytokinesis, division of cytoplasm, means 2 match with C. S phase, amount of DNA per cell double, means 3 match with B. Karyokinesis, division of nucleus, 4 match with A. Identify the given diagram. Yes, this diagram is cell cycle diagram labeled A, B, C and D. Here A, yes, this one is interphase. B, yes, synthesis phase or S phase of interphase. C, mitotic phase or M phase, in that prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, then cytokinesis. D, G2 phase of interphase. Up to this, today's lecture completed. Hope that you understood everything. If you like the video, then you can subscribe my YouTube bioinfo channel. Tap the bell icon and like the video. If any doubt about today's lecture, mention in comment box. Thank you.